What if I were to tell you that as many as 279 individuals who returned from the UK are untraceable? Well, this is exactly the situation that health officials in Telangana are trying to deal with. You're watching TV9 Digital. I am Adarsh Vepachedu, and in this video, I will be speaking to you about how UK returnees in Telangana have given wrong information when it comes to their addresses and phone numbers, and how this could prove to be a challenge in tracing and cornering the new UK variant if it has come in via one of these individuals. So what the Telangana officials have said is that 92 of the untraceable returnees are from neighbouring states Andhra Pradesh, Kerala and Karnataka. It is being reported that these 92 individuals went to different states for social gatherings, marriages, celebrations, and guess what? A good number of them even visited Goa. That apart, 184 UK returnees have given wrong phone numbers and addresses. The details of these passengers who have reportedly left for neighbouring Andhra Pradesh, Kerala and Karnataka from Hyderabad have been sent to the respective state governments so that they can trace these returnees. A search is underway to locate the rest. Many others who were living in rented homes have shifted and no one knows their new address. It is said that 1,216 people came to the state from the UK, of whom 937 have been traced and RT-PCR tests found them. As of now, Telangana has 18 UK returnees who have been diagnosed with COVID-19. We still don't know if these individuals have the new UK variant or not. These 18 UK returnees have been kept in institutional quarantine at various hospitals. 79 contacts of the said 18 UK returnees have also been placed in quarantine, and their health is being monitored as they suffered from severe anxiety attacks after they learnt of a new virus strain from the United Kingdom. Another major roadblock that the health officials in Telangana are facing is that of contact tracing. The UK returnees are unable to remember if they came in contact with either the UK returnees or with the infected persons among them. On ground, it has become a mammoth task for the health officials as they are having to reach out to a large number of people on ground. Because many of the UK returnees did not have any symptoms of COVID-19, they did not feel the need to stay at home and went about with their work and social celebrations as was planned. And now there is a wave of tension among them and their contacts. Well, the problem starts with passengers furnishing wrong details of their address and phone numbers. This proves to be a massive challenge for health authorities who have to trace all of them for tests. The point remains, whether you give wrong details or the right, the government will eventually trace you out. But by then, precious time is lost, and in the process, a lot of those you come in touch with may contract the virus, which could be detrimental to your loved ones, those around you, and the society at large. Honesty is the best policy, and this does hold best in this very case. Health officials across the world have been saying that there is nothing for one to worry about if he or she has the new UK variant of coronavirus. What's needed on ground is vigilance, awareness and honesty. And truth be told, our existing weapons, that is social distancing, hand hygiene and masks, are enough to keep any kind of coronavirus variant at bay. If you've liked the information that I've shared with you, make sure you like and share this video. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to TV9 Digital on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Many thanks for joining us.